Hello everyone, welcome to Premier Math. Today we are going to discuss some important math problems on simple interest based on previous year questions. We will be solving these questions using speed matrix. So let's start our session. Our first question is, if the difference of the compound interest and simple interest on a sum of money for 3 years is rupees 186, find the sum of money if the rate of interest in both the cases be 10%. Let us consider sum as 100 parts. If you find the value of one part, then sum is equal to 100 into value of one part. So this is the concept of parts here. Now, simple interest means interest on sum. That is, sum means money invested initially. So interest on money invested initially is the simple interest. This is same for every year. Simple interest is same for every year. Now, compound interest means interest on sum plus interest received on previous years. Interest received on previous years. So, this will vary every year. That means compound interest increases every year. So this is the concept of simple interest and compound interest. So I will use the same concept here. I don't use any formula here. Just use the concept. That is, simple interest for first year, second year and third year is same for every year. That is, simple interest is interest on sum. Here interest rate is 10% for 3 years. So I write 3 years here. Now for every year I will get 10% on this sum. That is 10% of 100 part is the sum. Now percentage and 00 get cancelled. 10 into 1 is equal to 10 part. So simple interest I received for every year is 10 part. So for the first year I will receive 10 part. For the second year I will receive 10 part. For the third year I will receive 10 parts. Now total 30 parts I will receive 100 parts as simple interest. Now compound interest. Compound interest means interest on sum plus interest received on previous years. Now interest on sum for the first year is 10% of 100 parts, which is equal to 10 part. And there is no previous year in the first year. So I only receive interest on sum for the first year. For the second year, I will receive interest on sum as 10 parts plus I will receive interest on the interest received on previous years. Here interest received on previous year is 10 parts. So 10% of the 10 part I will receive on second year as well. That is, here percentage means divided by 100. So 00 get cancelled. Remaining is 1 into 1 part. So I will receive 1 part extra in the second year as interest. Now for the first year I received 10 parts as interest. For the second year I received 11 parts. But here you can see for simple interest I only receive 10 parts. So interest vary every year. Now third year interest received on sum is equal to 10 part. Then interest received for the previous years. I got how much interest previous year? I got 10 part plus 10 part plus 1 part. That is total 21 part I received on previous year as interest. So 10% of the 21 part. Here percentage means divided by 100. Now 00 cancel. 21 by 10 is equal to 2.1 part. That is, on third year I will receive 2.1 part as interest. On third year I will receive 2.1 part as interest. Now you can see, if you take the difference between simple interest and compound interest, this 10 part, 10 part, 10 part and this 10 part, 10 part, 10 part cancel each other. That means remaining is 1 part plus 2.1 part. This is the difference. This is the difference. That is, here difference mentioned in the question is rupees 186. That is, difference between simple interest and compound interest is 186. That 186 is 3.1 part. 1 part plus 2.1 part is 3.1 part. So 1 part is equal to 186 divided by 3.1, which is equal to 60. If you find the value of 1 part, sum is equal to 100 part, which is equal to 100 into 60, that is 6,000. So option D is your answer. A borrowed a loan from B at 8% simple interest for 2 years and repaid the loan with 1,65,184. Amount of loan taken by AS. Here, interest for 2 years is equal to 8% into 2, 16%. If I consider principal as 100%, then amount is equal to principal plus interest, that is 116%. If this 116% is equal to 165,184. Here amount repaid is 1,65,184. Then principal 100% is equal to, here if 116 goes in this one, then there must be 2 zeros at the end of our answer. Let's check. 116 goes 1 time in 165. Remaining is 49. So 116 goes here, second digit all are 4. 4 times in 491. Remaining must be 100 into 4 is 400. 16 into 4 is 64. So 464 and 491. Difference is 27. So 116 goes 2 times in 271. Here third digit is 2. All others third digit are 3, 6 and 8. So option D is your answer. That is, this is 1424. So 100% is equal to 1424 into 100. So option D is your answer. Prakash lends a part of 20,000 rupees at 8% simple interest and remaining at 4/3% simple interest. His total income after a year was rupees 800. Find the sum lent at 8%. Here allegation is the best method for these types of problem. The total money lent is 20,000 and part of this 20,000 lent at 8% simple interest and other part lent at 4/3% simple interest. So write 8% and 4/3% on LHS and RHS respectively. Now income after a year was rupees 800. So this 800 is received from this 8% and 4/3% respectively. So write 800 in the middle. Now this 8 and 4/3 in percentage format. So we should find the percentage form of this 800. This 800 is received from this total 20,000 rupees. So 800 out of 20,000 is 0 cancel, 0 cancel, 8/2 is 4%. So 800 is 4% of 20,000. So write 4% in the middle. Now you can see this 8% simple interest and 4/3% simple interest constitute this 4%. Now take the difference. That is, difference between 8 and 4 is 4%. Difference between 4/3 and 4 is 8/3%. That is, 4 minus 4/3 is 3 into 4, 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. So 8/3. Now, if you take the ratio of 8/3 and 4%, percentage cancel. 4 goes 2 times in 8. That is 2/3 is to 1. That means 2 is to 3 is the ratio. So, sum lent at 8% is 2 part and sum lent at 4/3% is 3 part. Now, sum lent at 8%, we need to find it. Here total part is 2 plus 3, 5 part. This 5 part is this 20,000 rupees. Now 5 goes 4 times in 20. That is 1 part is equal to 4,000. Now sum length at 8% is equal to 2 part. 2 part. So 2 part is equal to 2 into 4,000, which is equal to 8,000. Or you can find 2 by 5 into 20k. This is also 8k. Because 2 part out of 5 part. 2 part is the money lent at 8%. Total part is 2 plus 3, 5 part. Which is in 20,000 rupees. So, which is converted into 20,000 rupees is 8,000. So, option A is your answer. A shopkeeper sold an item at 10% loss after giving a discount equal to half of the marked price. Then cost price is, let us consider marked price as 100 rupees. Marked price means price tag. Now, this shopkeeper giving a discount equal to half of the price tag, that is half of the marked price. So, here discount is equal to half of the marked price, which is equal to half of the price tag means, which is 50 rupees. So, 50 rupees off to this 100 rupees price tagged item. That means he is selling this product at 50 rupees. Because price tag of an item is 100 rupees. He is giving 50 rupees off to that. Then he is selling that product at 50 rupees. But by selling this item at 50 rupees, he lost 10%. So, this 50 rupees leads to 10% loss. 10% loss means he only got 90% of the cost price. So, this 50 rupees, by selling this item at 50 rupees, he only got 90% of the cost price. This 50 rupees means 50 rupees is equal to half of the marked price. That is half of the price tag is 50 rupees. Now, 2 goes 50 times in 100. 0, 0 cancel. Cost price is equal to 5 by 9 of marked price. That is cost price is equal to 5 by 9 of price tag. So, option C is your answer. If the simple interest on rupees X at a rate of 8% for M years is same as that on Y rupees at a rate of A square percentage for M square years. That is, here simple interest at a rupees X for at a rate of a percentage for M years is same as simple interest for rupees Y at a rate of A square percentage for M square years. Now, these both are same. Here, percentage cancel. A square and A and A cancel. Now, M and 1 M from the sum square cancel. Now, remaining is X by Y, which is equal to, here it is 1, here it is A and M. So, AM divided by 1 is X is to Y. So, option B is your answer.